ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Uba Preston Tensong ubalong State President Jong National People's Party. Ulapan siya'y bakakali kabakit iya kapisa kabakot si Klur tingka kabala syabat hagi pulit Jong Longding Police Station. Kamday setia Jong National People's Party bat kamday hiru kakali kabadon lang. Haga kenhun Jong kakali kabakit iya Menteri Rangba kajela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma kadbau dang temu ban late siya kajinyalang yalap election haga jela Arunachal Pradesh dang Shen.
See, I think officially from the party side, we have already given the statement very, very clearly, candidly. Number one, the vehicle whom the authority, election authority, detained was not at all part of the convoy of RCM. Number two, this particular vehicle which was detected that they carried about not less than 1.25 crores of rupees. Again, does not belong to NPP. Again, does not belong to Konrad Sangma. These people, they went on their own because they do have construction work also in Arunachal. But of course, I'm not the one to explain about all this. Now the law is in place, and now not only that, the returning officer and then the deputy commissioner has already taken over all these cases. There was nothing wrong at all as of now. But let me, even me also, I don't want to say anything much since this one is under the, under the control of the Election Commission. So let the Election Commission take due course of legal action, whatever. But I'm telling you, I came to know that they were released. These people were released on the basis of the verification made on the spot by the police and also by the officials of the Election Commission. So I think making this kind of allegation ultimately, yes, during election, they convert it into their, into their vote bank by saying that Konrad Sangma has looted Meghalaya and then he invested in Arunachal, which is totally wrong. And I would like to inform the citizens of the state. It never happened, and it's not going to happen at all like that. And please understand, this is only because during election year you do this. And I don't know if so happened that, again, if it is detected that somebody carrying money here in Shillong or in any part of Meghalaya, again, that issue so will come out by saying that, oh, this one belongs to this, to this, to that. I think there is no ending at all. But my clarification is very clear, and I would like to tell you that this seizure made by the officials of the Election Commission does not at all belong to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Konrad Sangma, and also being the President of our NPP.